The students, myself Vishnu Samutia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Session Chemical Reactions of Alkene. Student, today now we discuss chemical reactions of alkenes. And first chemical reactions are addition reaction in hydrogenations. Alkene react with a hydrogen atom at 180 degrees Celsius in the presence of nickel platinum catalyst to produce alkenes. स्टूडेंट्स अपन पढ़ रहे हैं केमिकल रिएक्शंस ऑफ हाइड्रोजनेशन और फर्स्ट केमिकल हाइड्रोजनेशन एल्किन रिएक्ट करता है हाइड्रोजन के साथ इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ NiPDPT एंड कन्वर्ट टू प्रोडक्ट होता है अपने पास एल्केन. सो C2H4 प्लस H2 कन्वर्ट टू C2H6. Second reaction are hydrations. Alkene react with stem H2O at 300 degrees Celsius at 60 atm in the pressure of concentration H3PO4 as a catalyst to produce alcohol. Alkene react with water in the presence of phosphoric acid and 300 degrees Celsius temperature convert to alcoholic compounds. So C2H4 in react with H2O convert to C2H5OH is known as a hydration of alkenes. Okay. Next reaction are addition of hydrogen halide. HX reactions. Hydrogen halide reactions, hydrogen chloride HCl, hydrogen bromide HBr and hydrogen iodide HIs. So alkene react with HCl convert to halo compounds and alkene react with convert to chloroethanes या bromoethanes compounds. So the ethane react with hydrogen chloride proceed chloroethane and ethane react with hydrogen bromide proceed to bromoethanes and ethane react with the hydrogen iodide produce to iodoethanes. In these examples are given below. First examples are chloroethane, second examples are bromoethane and third examples are iodoethane. So alkene react with the hydrogen halide HX at room temperature to produce haloalkanes. So C2H4 plus HCl convert to C2H5Cl. Next reactions, chemical reactions are addition of hydroxyl groups. Alkene react with acidified potassium magnesium KMnO4 to produce diol compound. Alkene react with KMnO4 in water convert to diol compounds. So C2H4 react with water and oxygen convert to C2H4OH का whole twice. These reactions are given below. So used to the test for the presence of carbon-carbon double bonds. Next reactions are halogenations. Halogenation reactions are no catalyst or ultraviolet is needed and alkene react with halogen at room temperature in the presence of tetrachloromethane and CCl4. Alkene react with Br2 and 2 dibromo compounds and C2H4 plus to Cl2 can convert to C2H4Cl2 and C4H8 plus Br2 convert to C4H8Br2 bromo compound. So the examples are given below in slides. So use the test for the presence of carbon-carbon double bonds. Next reactions are polymerization reactions. So the polymerization reaction is a small alkene molecule undergoes addition reaction with one another at high pressure of 100 atm, 1000 atm at and temperature is to 200 degrees Celsius. So reaction is our polymerization, alkene convert to polyalkane. Okay students. So important reactions, chemical reactions of alkenes. Thank you.